Now, shifting focus to the state of Kerala, which is gearing itself for a big fight after a positive case of the Nipah virus was reported. A 14-year-old boy from Malappuram has been diagnosed with the virus, and he has been admitted to a hospital where he is on life support, and his present condition is said to be critical. Now, Kerala has reported 5 Nipah virus outbreaks in the past 6 years. In light of the latest case, the government has acted swiftly. An isolation ward has been opened in one of the hospitals, and all those who came into contact with the boy will now be isolated. The state's health minister, Veena George, has also called for a meeting to formulate a strategy to prevent an outbreak of the virus.
In Malappuram, Nipah suspect case is there. Here we have done the test PCR and TrueNAT, and we have sent the sample to Pune NIV, and we are awaiting the result. But since we are suspecting Nipah, the protocol is in place.
We're crossing over to my colleague Jayalakshmi to get us more on this. Jayalakshmi, can you explain how significant it is that even one case has been reported?
Yes, certainly the first case of Nipah has been reported, and the sample of a 14-year-old boy was confirmed by the Pune Virology Center that he is diagnosed with Nipah, and right now he is admitted in Kozhikode Medical College, and as you mentioned, he is in a very critical stage and in ventilator. The medical experts are monitoring his health condition, but this case is confirmed and the entire state is on high alert. Health Minister has assured that all the necessary treatment is being given. As far as the precautionary measures in the state is concerned, the state has opened a 24 hours control room which the people can contact in case of medical emergencies, and anybody who is experiencing symptoms of like fever or cold or cough can contact the support room. And in fact, masks have been made mandatory, especially in the Malappuram region, and any public spaces, especially because it's a Sunday today, and any public spaces that are supposed to be functioning has been limited. And Health Minister has also convened an emergency meeting, and for proper other medical decisions have been taken, and which will be out soon. But as of now, the state is in high alert, and every precaution is being taken very seriously.
All right, Jayalakshmi, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details. We'll continue to track the developments in Kerala when it comes to the virus outbreak. But right now, we will be shifting focus. Another